Hello, welcome to Life and Pig Grow, and today I'm going to show you how to make bruschetta. The ingredients we're going to use today is basil, which comes from our garden, tomatoes, also from our garden, garlic that we've harvested recently, and just to mix it up a little bit, we've got some hazelnuts that we've been harvesting, and that's what a hazelnut looks like, and that's what it looks like inside. You'll also need some salt and some olive oil, and we've got a bit of cheap for you as well, just in case you need more basil and you don't have it. Okay, so first we start with salt, because we need this to break up what we're going to put into the pestle. Salt will rub it to pieces. Just put it in. So put the basil in, it will go to nothing, and you need to get your mortar and pestle, you need to start grinding. So all that basil we had at the start, if you look in the bowl, you can see now it's been mushed down to nothing. We're going to add our garlic in next, like so, and again it's about the action of crushing it in. So the garlic's in now and the basil's in, and we're going to add nuts. Now pesto tends to have nuts in. You can use any nuts you want, pine nuts, we're using hazelnuts. And again it goes in and we break them up. Like so. So as you can see now, we've got a rough, rustic mash up, and we need to loosen it up, so we're going to add some oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. You want to do it until it turns into a paste. Now, this is where your cheat can come in. If you've not got enough basil, or you haven't got access to any nuts, you can get yourself one of these. Other supermarkets are available, and you take it out, you take a spoonful of it, and you mix it in. Then you want to start to chop your tomatoes. You can be rough and ready about this, you don't have to be all chefy, so anything you want, like so. Just start cutting them up. These tomatoes are Costoluto, which is an Italian variety, but these one are the popular ones. This is Gardener's Delight. Right, next we're going to put all the tomato juice and all into another bowl. I like to use a metal bowl because I like to put it in the fridge afterwards. And then we take our basil that we were mixing before with our cheat in it, and we add it in. And then it's a matter of just mixing it all together. And that is our bruschetta, which we'll now leave in the fridge for up to an hour before eating. Thanks for listening to me today. If you like what you've seen, like and subscribe, and we hope you enjoyed the bruschetta. Bye bye.